What's good with y'all boys, man? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going over how I made 7:04 and 23 minutes, I believe. This is a live recording video, in the video, I didn't explain how and why I took the trade that I took. So I'm just going to give you a brief intro to the trade that I took, and then I'm going to move forward to the live recording video. So basically, what you want to do is start with your higher time frame. So you want to see the bigger picture in the external model. So now what do we see in the higher time frame? We see that price had a SMT, swept 4 hour liquidity, sell side, and tapped into this 4 hour for value gap, right? So now my my model is telling me that price wants to go long. Now another thing that really caught my attention was these generated buy side liquidity. Three things that price does is that price generates liquidity, price come and haunts liquidity, and price retraces back into equilibrium. So now this is price is haunting generated liquidity. Now I have my higher time frame confluence. I have my higher time frame confirmations. Now what I need is for price and is for time and price to align. So now this is exactly why I took the trade that I took. Now I'm going to jump over to the live recording that I had. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Okay, so let me briefly explain to you what's going on right here. I took this trade. I took this trade on my Top Step X Express account, and I took it on my live account. So right here, the reason why I took the trade right here was because right here price tapped into this 3 minute Fair Valley gap. So as you can see right here, I was only on two contracts, but I liked how the trade looked so much to the point that I added two more contracts. that's how I ended up making 704 and 23 minutes. I take the trade on two accounts. I took it on my live and I took it on Top Step X. I'm one trade away to getting the payout. I'm gonna I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all real quick. So yeah, when I go on my Top Step account, I have won 4 trades. I need one more to get a payout, but in this account, I'm going to stack it up and I'm going to look for a higher. I'm going to look for a higher payout, and I'm going to make a video requesting a payout live. But yeah, though, that's about it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed and I hope you learned something from this video. Just type comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know the questions that you have. Um, yeah, man. As a trader, man, you just gotta stick to it, man, because time pays. Because the longer you stick to it, the more you're going to see results in the future. Because if you're really trading, don't you have to only be focused on yourself. Right, don't look at other people making a lot of money. Other people making 1,000 plus per trade, and you're only making $100 because you gotta understand they probably been in the game longer than you have to really be more confident in this setup and really have overcome some of the psychological obstacles that they had to face. Only because they had more experience and they have more experience than you, that they could hold their trades longer or add more size to the trades. You will get there one day. You know what I mean? You just gotta keep losing and gotta keep learning from your losses, and you're gonna become a better trader. But yeah, just be focused on yourself. When you focus on yourself, when you focus on getting better day by day, and when you have a you versus you mindset instead of a you versus them, you're going to go far in life. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And like, comment, subscribe. If you like this video, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video.